In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Adobe Acrobat Reader. This process is really helpful if you want to use the software in a different language or if you're setting it up for someone with a different language preference. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to start by opening Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer. It should be pretty easy to spot on your desktop or within your applications list. Once you have Adobe Acrobat Reader up and running, take your attention to the top left corner of the screen where the menu bar is. You'll want to click on the Edit menu. This menu gives you access to various settings and tools you can adjust. After you click on Edit, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, look for the option labeled Preferences and select it. This will open a new window where you'll find a wide range of customizable options that affect how Adobe Acrobat Reader operates. Inside the Preferences window, your next step is to locate the list of categories on the left-hand side. You'll notice many options here which can feel a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, we just need to focus on finding the one labeled Languages. Click on Languages and you'll see the language settings for the application. Under Application Language, you have a couple of choices. If you want Adobe Acrobat Reader to prompt you to select a language every time you launch it, choose the option labeled Choose at Application Startup. This setting can be useful if you frequently work in different languages. Alternatively, if you already know which language you prefer, you can select it directly from the drop-down menu there. Once you've made your selection, it's crucial to remember to save your changes. Do this by clicking OK at the bottom of the Preferences window. This action ensures your new settings are recorded and will take effect the next time you use the software. With that done, go ahead and close Adobe Acrobat Reader completely. This step is important because changes like these require a restart to take effect. Now, when you reopen Adobe Acrobat Reader, if you chose the Choose at Application Startup option, you'll see a prompt asking you to pick a language before you dive back into your tasks. Go ahead and select your desired language and you're all set. And that's about it. You've successfully updated the language settings on your Adobe Acrobat Reader application. It's a simple process, yet very effective for personalizing your user experience. Hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and thanks for watching.